Hi guys, welcome back to our channels. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to post Instagram story from your laptop or PC. So let's get started. First, go to instagram.com, log into your specific account. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and here select More Tools option. Then after, go to Developer Tools. Click on the dimensions in the top of the screen and here select any device that you prefer. I'm going to go for iPhone XR. Then refresh the current page that you're using. Now click on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen. Here you select the photo or video that you want to post as your story. You have very few editing options right here. And then once you're done and happy with it, you can go ahead and click on add to your story from the bottom of the screen. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to fully upload on your story on Instagram. You can see the indication that your story was added to Instagram. Now you can go ahead and open a new tab, go to instagram.com, refresh the page, and go to your profile section. Here, go ahead and click on your story to view it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.